Hi, I'm Miss Nancy. I am an elementary school teacher here in Tampa, Florida, and a mother of 3. And today we are going to learn how to make a paper airplane. And for that, we turn to our paper airplane expert, Cindy. Cindy.
This is how we make a paper airplane. Here's one that I already made. I like to put a design on each side to add the squiggly lines on it. First, you fold over the paper like this, hot dog style. Then you fold it out. That way you can see the crease, just like you're reading a book or something. And then you fold this side over completely like this. That way it makes, if you look like this, then it makes a triangle. And then you do that same thing on the other side. And then you fold it over again, like this all the way to the crease. And then on the other side again. And then you fold it back over, that way it is in its normal shape. And then to make the wings, you fold this over like so. Same thing on the other side. I like to make mine match. And then to make it fly even better, you fold right here at the corner in. And if you sort of look, you can see a diamond shape. And then you do the same thing on this side. And then when you fold it out, you should get it just like this. And then there you go. That is a paper airplane.
Which we don't throw in science class, right? You don't throw them at your teacher? No, we don't throw them in science class.
Sometimes.
And that apparently is how you make a paper airplane.